It is important for everyone. You know that math, easy to learn. And we will never, ever, ever be so hard. Sometimes the students hate mathematics. For Southern, always saying the math is easy if you're willing to learn. The teachers try their best to teach us. I love mathematics. Oh, love mathematics. Oh, love mathematics. Oh, that's another station. Mathematics. Oh, love mathematics. Oh, love mathematics. Oh, let's go now for computation. Oh.